In front of me is Motorola Edge 50 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Password and Accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google under Autofill Service. And tap on this switcher next to Use Autofill with Google. As you can see, my switcher and all of those features are gray, which means that autofill is definitely off. To switch it back on, tap on the same switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!